Hi, and welcome to this mini-series 8 different ways of writing the alphabet. My name is Patrizia, I'm a stationery designer and calligrapher based in Switzerland, and today we're on the letter G. Are we? Yes. In this mini-series I'm gonna write everything in real time so you can see exactly how long it takes me, and I'm gonna be using my orbit pen and my deep dark black ink. I hope you stick around because there are more letters to come. And as always, if you like my letters, you can grab my free tracing worksheet. The link is in the comments below. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Which G did you like best? Let me know. If you like the series, please give a thumbs up and stick around because there are more letters to come and to write together. Bye!